Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. It's Crystal here. I'm just here this afternoon because I wanted to give you a code review on the decay of a sine wave. And as you can see, it's an animation, and the animation is actually going on while I am speaking to you about this code review. I got this code review from the matplotlib library, the documentation for that, which it's only within the last few days that I have discovered that you can animate your files with matplotlib. So what I'm going to do right now is it's finished. So I'm going to stop it, and then I'm going to run it again so you can see how this animation runs all the way from the beginning. So you can look at the way it's running while I'm giving you the code review. And so basically, this is from the matplotlib library. And because it's from the matplotlib library, I can't claim it as my own, so I have to do it as a code review. I'm doing it on Replit because animations do not work on Google Colab. And since animations do not work on Google Colab, I'm having to use Replit. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to import itertools, and itertools is an inbuilt module in Python which enables you to do iteration capabilities. We're going to import NumPy, which enables you to numerical Python calculations, and we're going to import matplotlib, pyplot, splt, and matplotlib.animation as animation. And then what that does is matplotlib gives you a visual representation of the program, and so you can see how the program's going right now. So after we've imported libraries, then what we're going to do is we're going to start making our functions. And the first function that we're going to make is data gen. So that's where you generate the data. It's for CNT in itertools.count. T equals CNT over 10, and then it's you yield T np.sign, then 2 times np dot pi times t times np.exp over negative t over 10. And so that is what is giving you the variables to actually put on this program. And then after we created the program to generate the data, then what we're going to do is we're going to define the function that initializes everything. So a equals set y_lim negative 1.1 to 1.1, and ax equals set x_lim 0 to 10. So your y is negative 1 to 1, and then your x is 0 to 10. And then it says del x data, and then del y data, and line dot set data x data y data, and it's you return line. And then what we're going to do is we're going to plot it. So fig ax equals plt dot subplots. Let's see if we can get this here. There we go. And then line equals ax dot plot, ax dot grid, and then you go x data, y data are empty list. So now we do def run. We're going to define the run, and it's going to take the data as the input. So let's see if we can find the data. We've got x data and y data, and we've got, but it just takes data as the input, t comma y equals data. So you know what data is. X data append t, y data append y, x min x max equals ax dot get x lim. If t is greater than or equal to x max, ax dot set dot x underscore x lim is x min comma 2 x max. Ax figure dot canvas draw. So it's drawing it on the canvas. And line dot set data x data y data, and you return line. ANI equals animation, func animation, fig run gen data, interval equals 10, init func equals init. And what func animation is func animation goes back to the function over and over again, and then that's what causes it to be animated, and then it says PLT show. So func animation is fig, run, data gen, and interval. So we've got fig, and then you've got run is the function, and you've got data gen is the function, and then interval equals 10, and init function equals init. So this particular script is calling on all of the functions that we've made, and it shows it. So you can see here that this is the decaying sine wave, and you can see how the decaying sine wave is working now. And as I said, I got this from matplotlib, which is why I have to do it as a code review. I hope that you've got something out of the code review, and you can see how I can get it to run in Replit, because the thing is I don't want to install anything on my computer because, I'm worried about what might happen if I do. So I like to use online resources, and so Replit is a very good online resource, and so I would highly recommend you give it a try. So I'm going to go ahead and close this code review. Would like to thank all of my subscribers for supporting my channel. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to making more videos for you in the future.